Is your product not moving and you're wondering, what can I do? Well, I accidentally lowered my price too much on an item and I sold 500 units in less than 10 days. Whoops. Here's the example. Here's the actual data. This is my Mr. and Mrs. product. And as you can see here, I sold 485 units right there at an average sales price of $15. Now, there's actually a really nice box. It comes with these straws. I'll go over to the live listing, give you a better idea, right? There's actually 2 tumblers, and I was trying to sell this at $30. I've since moved up the price back up to $24, but I was like, man, I'm not moving anything. Like, if you look at the data here, nothing. I mean, there is just 1 unit there. This is February, 1 unit there. That's like April. Like, nothing was moving on this at all. It was a really bad selling price. I sold one for $27. Couple moved for the Mother's Day rush, but just pretty much dead. Just totally, absolutely dead item. And I had 500 of these sitting at FBA for more than 3 months, just wondering what was wrong. I redid the main image. I redid the A+ content. I upped my advertising. Nothing was moving this product. So I was like, well, at this point, I'm going to have to remove these or something. So let's just lower the price down to $15. Now, what I should have done was set it as a sales price for 7 days. And I accidentally didn't think that one through. And I set it down to $15 and forgot about it. So I made the change probably, let's see, I sold it for $29 right there. I made the change, it looks like, right on June 28th. Well, I didn't look at it again, and now it's July 31st, more than a month later, and I'm focused on running the agency, and I just do this product stuff on the side just to kind of learn and shoot videos and stuff. Well, as you can see here, it didn't take long for this item to take off, and within a couple of weeks, boom, this thing was off to the races. And sales were just off the charts, 30 units a day, moving really, really fast. Let's get an idea of the BSR. I mean, it tops out, looks like right around the top 10,500 BSR, best sellers rank. Check out this BSR video next if you want to learn more about how the BSR works. And so it just massively went off. Slowed down right around the middle of July there, but kind of picked back up. And I didn't do anything else to this item. All I did was set the price down, and it went from an average BSR where it was sitting in the top 200,000s, and now it's at 18,000. So here's a case in point on how just simply reducing the price of an item could be the missing ingredient to get some velocity. Now, I obviously lost a lot of money lowering the price down for this amount of time. I mean, like, these tumblers, honestly, they cost a lot of money to purchase and procure, and then there's the time to box them and to write on them, and we even have some really nice high quality box and some straws in there, right? So, like, I lost money on this maneuver. Now, here's how I'm going to make the maneuver work for me, though. Now that I've got the units and velocity counts up, I'm raising the price. Now, I'm going all the way up to $24 simply because I'm literally out of stock. Like, literally, I'm out of stock. See this 0 goose egg right there? And I forgot to set up my inventory alert as well for this SKU. Inventory alerts need to be set up on your account. If you haven't done this, watch this video next. So there was just a series of breakdowns on this account, and my brand manager who assists on this account was also on vacation. So there just wasn't any eyes on this whatsoever. And I'm focused on the agency, and the product sells out. Boom, I'm at 0. So I broke all of the Amazon rules, supposed Amazon expert here, and sold out 500 units at $15. So normally, if I was in this situation and actually monitoring it and paying attention, what I would have done is raised it to $16, then to $17, then to $18, and then finally working my way up into the 20s. Instead, because I'm literally at 0, I'm going all the way up to $24. Now, I'm hoping that I can maintain some of the BSR and stay in the top 30, 40,000 if at all possible. I'm going to rush an FBA shipment in, and we'll see what happens. But that's what happens. And so you can look at the data here on your side. You can see how we have the list price set at $34. The strike through is not working though. And that's probably one other thing I need to do in here. So I'm actually going to go in and edit the list price and lower it down because we have sold this in the past for $29.99. So list price usually can be found on the offer page. Sometimes they've got it hiding in other locations. I'm going to set it to $28.99 to see if it will take. And then this will usually show up within 15 minutes on the front end of the detail page. If you need to learn how and how important MSRP is or other list price, check out this video next. Have you ever made any Amazon mistakes like this? How did it go for you? Did you turn it around? Did you reorder? Did you go out of stock? Did you accidentally run a promotion and give it away for free? Let's hear your story in the comments. We've all done it before. You got to pay your Amazon tax. And man, it's painful when that happens sometimes, isn't it? So there you go. I turned an L into a W at a price loss, and now I'm going to try and make it into a real W and raise the price back and see if I can recover this unit, because it's a great box. It's a really good item, and it wasn't the photo, it was the price. That's all you got to do, guys. Just get the price down, get some velocity, and raise it back up later. That's my experience. Thanks for watching. My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy. And don't forget, check out these videos next.